shoes on my feet, but the floor's out of reach. Kitchen's a mess, I'm a ghost in the light, cooking up failure for breakfast tonight. Caught in illusion, silhouettes choke, broken reflections and rivers of smoke. Distraught, disdain, wide open, I'm torn. Born in a storm, now I'm cursed and reborn. Scraping the void with the nails of the wake, hungry and hollow with fire in my speech. Flames light the way through a graveyard of screams, path of the wounded marching through dreams. Sunken, beaten, battered, mistreated, tossed to the curb, but we still undefeated. Never a thought for the grandeur we hide. We are the monsters they build with their lies. Mind in the blender, heart on the wire, dancing through chaos, baptized in fire. Slip through the cracks where the daylight won't go, crawling through nightmares they don't even know. Fractured and faded, still breathing that venom, grew from the ashes of dreams they condemned. Every mistake is a sword in my hand, I cut through the noise, I bury the damned. Truth is a blade and my tongue is a trigger. Pain is the pigment, the scars paint the picture. Laugh while I'm burning, spit smoke at the sky. Learn how to fall just to learn how to fly. Sunken, beaten, battered, mistreated, tossed to the curb, but we still undefeated. Never a thought for the grandeur we hide. We are the monsters they build with their lies. Lost, unbeaten, battered, mistreated, tossed to the curb, but we still undefeated. Never a thought for the grandeur we hide. We are the monsters they build with their lies. Throw myself down just right, miss the ground, catch the light. Throw myself down just right, miss the ground, catch the fight.